Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Level 10.
Level 3.
Level 3.
We are on Code Monkey again, so let's go to level 3.
Let's go to level 3 and plus and the button. And now
Okay, let's do level 3.
let's go to the
So
button.
this is back. This is forwards. You need to put 2 forwards, 1, 2, and then press check. There's not really check button. Monkey's happy. See you in the next level 4. Say bye, Arish.
Bye guys.